as you fade away, as you fade away. Stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. What am I doing wrong? It hurts. I told you I'm okay. Tell me what's wrong. I'm just trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. Fade away, sorry that I'm so okay. Just let me be me, stay out of your way. See the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked you to come to this place. You wanna love me, well then baby I have a taste. But the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I hope you wanna love me, if you stick it out outside, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe we could be the change. I mean, today, I promise that I've never without this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong. Why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong